Hey Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay Divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay Divas, so today we have a unit by Outre, or Outre. I've been saying Outre. Is it Outre or Outre? Anywho, we have a unit by them today. We have it in the style Promise. They actually specified that this is 26 inches. It says right here, which is surprising because usually with synthetic wigs they do not tell you the length, so I hope that that will be something that is a habit. I mean some do, but you know what I mean, like for the most part they don't. Anyways, I have her in the color DRFF Red Velvet. As you guys did vote for, I've been asking you guys like which what units, or if you guys are interested in a particular unit and what color you want to see, and this is the one that you guys chose. So I do hope that you guys like how this turned out, but yeah, let's just get into my thoughts about it. So this is one of their units from their Perfect Hairline collection. This is a 13x6 fully hand tied lace wig, and it is very beautiful, I will say that. Like, and on the stock card model they do have the different styles, so you guys can see that on the website as well, but they do have different styles. So they have the braided top, the center part, and the side part. Today I am rocking the center part because that is my favorite. I felt like that's what looked the best on me today. But yeah, you guys can let me know, like, would you rock this in the side part or a center part or a half up, half down, or even the braided top like they have on the stock card. So yeah, anywho, so let's get right into how I feel about it. So this hairstyle is absolutely gorgeous. I really do love the style. I also really love the color. You guys know that I love like burgundy and reddish burgundy type of colors anyways, so I was totally here for this, and I was glad that you guys picked this color. I am so fearful of the day that you guys pick a color that I just do not like. Especially because I'm a creature of habit, and you guys know I love my 1 or my 1Bs, my natural colors. I will even do a 2 because that's how much I love natural colors. But anyways, so yeah, I really do love the color. As far as the hairline goes, the hairline is really beautiful. I didn't go in and pluck anything. The hairline comes perfectly, and the parting space looks really nice as well. I did just go ahead and add my foundation that I'm wearing today to go ahead and tint the lace because I am a chocolate diva. So I did have to go in and tint that lace because it is transparent. But however, I love that because when I tint it, it just goes right with my skin complexion. So I really do love that. With this hair, as far as shedding and tangling, I did experience shedding and tangling, which is normal. I mean, this is a very long curly synthetic unit, so you should expect to receive some. But what I would say helped me the most today, instead of wig control spray, I went ahead and I used my mousse and I ran my fingers through the hair and kind of got it on the curls, and it kind of gets the curls to like kind of hold in place, and it also reduces like the frizziness. So I really did love the way the mousse just went ahead and defined the curls, as well as kind of got rid of some of the frizzing that happened, because I was like, you know, parting in different ways and everything, kind of messing with it. So it did create a little bit of frizz, and I was able to get rid of that with the mousse. You guys know, and if you haven't been here on my channel, I've been using mousse for years on my curly units because it just preserves the curls and help them last a lot longer. So yeah, definitely go ahead and do that. You do not have to be afraid to put a little bit of product and mousse on this hair. As far as the texture, I would say that this is a silky texture unit. From the roots here, it is pretty straight for the roots, which I do not mind. In case you needed to go in and like flatten it, it would be good, because, and also if the curl started up here, I feel like it would make it fall very weirdly. So yeah, I'm glad that it is a little bit of straight root. But yeah, from the roots, I definitely would say that this unit is a silky texture. And the hair is pretty soft, so I do like that. So I like the way that it feels. It doesn't feel like rough and like a weird texture. As far as the security on the cap, I think that this does have very good security. It does have combs as well as an elastic band, which is really good. And as far as the cap size, I would say that this is average head friendly. So it could fit large heads, small heads, it could fit everybody, especially with the security method that it has with the elastic band. Like, you will be able to fit this unit whether you have a big head. I am on the big head side, or you have a small head. You will just have to adjust it accordingly. So yeah, I feel like this one is pretty much for everybody. So, and I do even really still have like a little bit of room, and I do have a big head. So yeah, but if you have a small head, do not worry. All you have to do is use your adjustable straps and the elastic band, and you'll be fine. But overall, I do really like this style. I think that it is really gorgeous. Definitely throw on and go-esque. Now I did go ahead and lay it down because I am revisiting some of the sprays, because I am going to be doing a battle of the sprays video coming up here soon. So I wanted to just revisit some of them so that I can kind of rekindle my thoughts and kind of get those again. But you could actually wear this unit glueless and just kind of lay down the baby hairs because it has the elastic band. But I just laid it down once again because I kind of wanted to see if it would melt into the skin, as well as I needed to revisit a spray. So yeah, as you guys can see, it was bedhead spray. But yeah, overall this unit is really nice. The hairline is amazing. The cap construction is amazing. The hairstyle is really beautiful. I could see this being really gorgeous in a natural color as well. If you guys are interested, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you and know what you are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.